What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have the latest from the bespoke series of Valencia theater seating. This is the Tuscany Ultimate Heat and Ventilation. That's right, they've taken the Tuscany Ultimate and they've added cooling and heating to this chair, so it's ready for your nice cool nights or your hot summer months. You can sit back, relax, and watch your favorite programs, whether it be a movie on your projector or in your home theater room, or just, quite frankly, just sitting back, relaxing, enjoying yourself. But I've got these, so let's just go ahead and let's talk about it. If you're not familiar with Valencia Theater seating, I'm going to put some links in the description below so you can check out their wide range of chairs. They don't just have these, they have a lot of different styles, different colors. They have big and tall. If you happen to be a taller person, they have that. They have seats on risers. They have D-box seats. They also have seats made of vegan leather instead of traditional leather. They have sectionals. They have sofas. They have all different types of seats to meet your needs. So definitely use those links to check them out. But if you happen to be in the Dallas area, you can go check out their showroom, because they have a showroom in Dallas where you can go, you can sit down, you can see the different materials, you can see the different styles, and really pick the one that fits your needs and your budget. So I'm going to put some links in the description below. Thank you, Valencia Theater Seating, for sending me these chairs, but you definitely go check them out. So this particular series comes in black, as you can see here, and is wrapped in this nice Italian Napa leather. It is really soft and supple, and the cushioning feels really nice. It's just a great look. Now, this is a matte black material, and you don't really notice any grain structure. But one thing you do notice is this French diamond stitch pattern right here. It looks incredible. I mean, it looks great. And it's also perforated, so the chairs are breathable even when you don't have the fans running for the ventilation or the heat running. You get nice breathability down the center of these chairs. Now, it comes in several different configurations, including the row of 2, which I have right here, but there's also a row of 3, row of 4, and row of 5, and different love seat combinations inside those different configurations. Now, one of the first major features of this chair is the fact that it is a power chair. So if I just push this button right here, I can get into a nice elevated position with my legs. It feels really nice, and it also has power lumbar support. So if I just push this button right here, maybe you can see that that lumbar is extending out. So if you need a little bit more support for your back, you can do that, but it also has support for your head. So if I just push this button right here, all of a sudden my head can get into a much more comfortable position for watching television or whatever it is that I am doing. Now, another feature this has is seat memory. So if I just hit this I button right here, this goes into a defined position that I've already defined. So you can set your favorite position and always go back to it. I like that a lot with these chairs. Now, another button it has is the H button right here. This is the home button. So if I just push and hold it, all of a sudden the chair will go back to its nominal configuration. So it makes it easy to get where you want to go. They also have USB-C and USB-A charging down here, so you can charge your device while you're watching a movie or your favorite content. But these chairs also have lights. So if I double click that H like that, all of a sudden you get lights around the cup holders and lights down there. But they have 7 different colors. So if I double click this one, I've actually got the purple light on this particular chair, but it has several different shades of greens, or at least 2 different shades of greens, 2 different shades of blues, and it can also cycle through all 7 different colors. And I think that is a definite plus with these chairs. But one area where it doesn't have lights is around these buttons. And quite frankly, I think that is a benefit, because that way you don't have lights distracting you while you're watching content in your dark theater. But the buttons are on rocker panels, so it's easy to kind of feel where you are and then make sure you hit the right button. So I think that is a plus. Now, some other features. They have accessory ports up here, so you can put a tray table, maybe a wine glass holder or something like that, cell phone holder up here. And they do have these cup holders, like I mentioned before. So I've got my bottle of water over here, but you can remove these cup holders as well and pull them out just like that. So if you just need to clean them out or something like that, you can do that really easily. Then you can just slide them back into their little space right there. And they've got these armrests, which are really nice for your arms. But inside the armrest, there is hidden storage right here, so you can stick your hand in there and get something out, like a tray table. So you can just sit that in the accessory port right there. Then you can pull your remote out and you are good to go. Now on this side, this armrest also has storage in it as well. And in here, I have a cell phone holder. So if I have my cell phone here, I could put it there and then I could plug it in right over here if that's what I wanted to do. But this also has the heat and ventilation controls right here, so you can turn it on and turn it off. And I'm gonna talk about that in a minute, but I do wanna point one thing out. Since the heat and ventilation controls are in this particular compartment on the same side as the controls for the buttons, you can't put a standard size tray table in this particular compartment. But like I said, you've got the heat and ventilation right here, and there are 3 different levels: a low, medium, or high. And right now I just turned on the ventilation and it's going the high setting, so you're probably going to be able to hear the fans. Maybe you can hear that, maybe you can't, but I can turn it on this chair over here. And again, maybe you can hear it, maybe you can't. But what I will say is that once I turn this on, I can hear it running. And so what I would do is I would turn the volume up just a little bit on the television if necessary. But the good news is you can turn it down to the point where you basically can't even hear it, which is nice. It's whisper quiet, like if you're wanting to watch a movie, or you can go over to the heat setting and go to low, medium, or high and turn it up, or whatever you want to do there. So it can be nice and cozy in the winter or nice and cool in the summer. One of the features that I like from Valencia Theater Seating is their wall hugger design. That allows the chair to sit closer to the wall and still get a full recline. And that's because the seat of the chair begins moving forward before the back of the chair moves backwards. So with a chair like this, you can have it about 6 inches from the wall at its closest point here at the top and still get a full recline. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So I'm nice and comfortable, but I want to make sure the headrest is all the way back. And now I'm going to do a full recline. All right, so there you have it. I have a full recline. If I stick my hand back here, I still have a little bit of space all the way around. And there you go, full recline. And I was only 6 inches from the wall when I started. All right, so those are all the major features of this chair. They have a lot of features, and quite frankly, sitting in these chairs, it feels great. The overall support is, I would say, a medium firmness. So they're firm enough that they support you. You don't sit down and feel like you're going to sink to the floor, but they're also soft enough and cushy enough that you can kind of settle in and get a nice seating position even before you get your good seating position once you motorize everything and find your perfect sweet spot. So that's a good thing. I do like the fact that these are heated and cooled, because that way you and your spouse, let's say, can have, whatever setting that works for you. My wife typically runs a little bit cold. So for her, I can turn the heat on before she even comes up here and the seat's nice and warm. She enjoys herself. She doesn't need a blanket, right? But as she gets older, she starts, let's say, going through that big change in life and she's always hot, you can turn the ventilation on and all of a sudden she's cooler. And so she can still be my movie watching buddy, regardless of what season it is or how she's feeling. I think that is a plus. But like I said earlier, when watching movies, if you have the ventilation setting on high, you can hear the fans running. So you may need to turn the volume up a little bit, but you can always turn it down. So I like that a lot. Another, I would say, a little bit of a downside of these chairs is because you have the ventilation and all the motorized functions, This particular chair comes with two power cables. The traditional Ultimate Edition only comes with one. So for a row of two configuration like this, you will need 4 outlets to plug into. So I just want to make that clear. The other thing about those two power cables is they're not the same length. One is actually longer than the others. So Valencia, if you're listening, please make those cables so that they are the same length. I think that just would make it easier for people to plug things in. But one other thing that I do like about this series is it looks identical to the Ultimate Edition. So if you are buying chairs and you're like, hey, I've got to stay within a budget, but you want a few heated and ventilated chairs, let's say you're going for, eight seat theater or something like that. You can buy a few of these for, you and your spouse. You guys get the heating and cooling, and then everybody else gets the standard Ultimate Edition, and everybody's still happy because they still have a ton of other features. All they're missing are heated and ventilation. But quite frankly, I really do like this setup. As far as price is concerned, it's going to depend on the configuration that you choose. Now, this row of two configuration, I think is like 10,400 as I record this, but it's on sale as I record this as well for like 5,300. So I'll put some links in the description below so you can find whatever the best deal is that Valencia is running on these chairs. But again, if you want to go check these out, go to their showroom in Dallas. If you're in the Dallas area, you can definitely check these out and all the other chairs that they have. But definitely use those links in the description below to look at some of the other chairs that Valencia offers, because maybe this isn't your cup of tea. They probably do have something that will fit your budget and fit your needs. So thank you, Valencia, for sending me these chairs. These are excellent chairs. I don't have any issues or any complaints, other than those two little things. Like I said, the little bit of noise in the two plugs, but honestly, not really a big deal. Just something I wanted to point out here. So again, thank you, Valencia. If you guys have any other questions, drop them in the comment section below. Any comment, drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time.